Tired of staring at a blank canvas? Today, we're leaping into the amazing world of Photoshop layer duplication to help you create even faster. Let's dive in first. Have your Photoshop document open with the Layers panel visible. Usually on the right side of your screen, select the layer you want to copy by clicking it in the Layers panel. It will be highlighted. The simplest way to duplicate is through the right-click menu with your chosen layer selected. Right-click directly on it. In the menu that appears, select Duplicate Layer. A dialog box will appear here. You can name the new layer something specific, or leave it with the default. That's often something like Layer 1 Copy. You can also adjust which document you want to place the new layer in. Click OK to confirm, and you've got a new layer. Another method involves a keyboard shortcut again. Select your layer then. On a Mac, press Command+J, or on Windows, CT or L+J. Bam! Instant duplication. A third technique is the drag and drop method. Grab the layer you wish to copy from the Layers panel. Click and hold your mouse, and drag it down to a small icon in the bottom right of the Layers panel, which looks like a page with a folded corner. Upon releasing the mouse, a new layer has been created. Learning these techniques will vastly improve your efficiency, letting you experiment with different styles or modify your designs with ease. Now go forth and create.